How to send automated replies in WhatsApp. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up automated messages in your WhatsApp account. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just make sure you have the WhatsApp Business application installed. If you don't already have this, you can open up the App Store and then using the search box, type in WhatsApp Business and then press search. Now, this is a completely free application, so just click on the download icon next to WhatsApp Business, and once it's finished installing, we can open up the application. Now, you'll just need to go through the steps here to set up your business WhatsApp account, and this should only take a couple of seconds, and you should land on this page here. Now, what you need to do is click on Settings in the bottom right hand side. You can then select Business Tools, scroll down to where it says Greeting Message and click on this. And you can press Send Greeting Message. For the recipients, we're going to set this to everyone, and then you can go and customize your own message to send out as an automated reply. Now, another way to do this is you can select an away message as well. And the difference in using an away message is we have the option to schedule the messages. So if you click on this, you have 3 different options. You can always send automated replies no matter what time of the day. You can choose to send automated replies outside of your business hours. Now, these hours you'll need to set up in your WhatsApp account in order to be able to use this feature. And you can also press Custom Schedule, and you can set exactly the date and time that you want to be sending these automated replies for. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.